Did you know that one of history's greatest philosophies was born from complete financial ruin? In 300 BCE, Zeno of Citium was a wealthy merchant sailing the Mediterranean with his entire fortune. Then disaster struck. His ship crashed, taking everything he owned to the bottom of the sea. Devastated and broken, he wandered the streets of Athens with nothing but the clothes on his back. That's when he stumbled into a small bookstore and heard someone reading the dialogues of Socrates. The words hit him like lightning. External possessions don't determine happiness. In that moment, everything changed. His perspective shifted completely. He realized his shipwreck wasn't a tragedy, it was liberation. Zeno founded his school at the Painted Porch, teaching that virtue and wisdom are the only true goods. This became Stoicism, one of the most influential philosophies ever created. His greatest loss became humanity's greatest gain. Sometimes our worst moments become our most powerful teachers.